always do a redbird theme tree over here at the garden. And this year's redbird theme, we went with like a woodsy kind of stripes with this pretty green velvet and this corduroy burnt red with the plaid on our bow. And then we added the red berry picks with this pretty paper garland picks with garlands. And what I loved about this look is we used snowmen, woodsy snowmen and Santa Clauses on this tree. And these make great little ornaments and gifts. Like this is $7. So it makes a really great little happy for your neighbor, for your girlfriends, to have them a little happy when they come over to visit for Christmas get-togethers. But I love the woodsy look on this tree, and we added a little stripe to give it a little different kind of variation, but still making it a woodsy, beautiful option for a redbird tree if you already have a lot of redbirds that you use in your home decor. We've got, this is just some other ways to make your redbird tree really look festive for Christmas. And we put it beside our beautiful nature tree. This is one of my favorite designs this year. It's a new design where we're bringing out this beautiful green tone that we added all natural elements to the trees. From mushrooms, we've got mushrooms, big mushrooms that we wired up in the tree, to little glitzy mushroom ornaments. All of our natural, we did add a little glitz, as you can tell, but with all natural, kind of natural ornaments that I just love. I love this one. And we used in our ribbon, we went with this meshy ribbon that's so great to decorate with. And adding this little lighter green glitzy bow with that together, and this rope garland. This is one of my favorite designs this year. I could not wait to get this tree done, and it's a good base to add to or to start having a natural tree. A lot of guys love this tree. It's a great tree if you have a covered porch outside and you want to do a nature tree outside on your covered porch by the fire pit to decorate outdoor too. Just some beautiful additions that we've added this year. I love this little silvery bell garland on this rope that we've done throughout the tree. It gives a little shiny look to it. But this has become one of my favorite designs.